So to copy a content from one file to another method is there, that is with open is another method to open a file. With open, we want to specify the file which we want to open first. So I want to open a file name as b.txt into another file b.txt into another so with the name as file 1 f1. So you want to put colon at the end. So at the same time, I am going to use the with operate method to open another file, output file. This is input file. Next line, I am going to write output file c.txt. c.txt. As write mode. So here I am written specifying the mode, meaning that by default it is the read mode only. So for write mode, I want to specify the mode of the file. So by representing W as F2. So currently I am opening two files. One is for reading and another one is for writing. So for line in F1. For line in F1. So F1, I'm having two line content. So for line in F1, so meaning that for loop is used to traverse each and every line in the file. Okay, so first line will be fetched from the input file. So second line, if you read a particular line from the input file, if the line exists means, okay, so if you see the output, my new file C was created and I'm not getting any output, right? See, file C was created and the content of A is copied to that of B is copied to that of file C. So for I'm opening the file input file, this is the output file, input file in read mode and output file in the write mode. Okay, so Eliza name was created in this case. That is, input file can be called as F1 and output file can be called as F2. So both the files are opened. Till open I want to do this. What I want to do this first, for line in FP, for each line in input file, F1 means input file b.txt. For each line in F1, I want to write the content in F2. I want to write that line in the output file F2. Okay, here I am having two lines. So for each line, first this line will be fetched and this line will be, that is in B file, this line will be fetched and this line will be written in the output file c.txt. Next, Python class is fetched from the b.txt and it was written in the c.txt. Okay, so this is one of the way to copy the content of one file to another file. Okay, so what else we can do? We can use other method also. We can open the file and we can read the content and we can write the thing in write file also. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி பண்ண manual work கூட we can do. So F1 equal to open b.txt read f1 dot read the content of f1 to the variable, another variable, or reading read the content of first file to another variable reading, then open the second file c.txt. So in this case we can open the file a.txt. So a.txt consists of single line only. b.txt only we are having two lines. This I am trying to open the first file and I am going to copy the content in the third file. So third file I am going to write the content using append mode. Just I want to append the content to the end of the file. So already I am having two lines there. Okay, so A, I can put A. So next I want to write F2 dot write of what I want to write. I want to write the content which is available in reading. So next I want to close both the file, that is F2 dot close. Similar way I want to close. So using with method it is not necessary to close the file. So automatically it will be closed at the end. Okay. But in the manual work you want to close the file. F1 dot close. So see the output here. So see we are already having two lines which is copied from the file B, and the file A consists of single line Python class. So Python class Panda. We can have welcome to Sacco. I can overwrite the content here. So if I try to run this program, what I get? See the output. So I am getting the output like this. So already I am having two lines. I am opening this file C using append mode. So append mode means my cursor will point to the end of the file here. So from the end of the file, what I will do, I will open the file 1, that is A file. I will read the content welcome to reading to the variable reading. Next I will open C file and I will write the content reading inside the C file, and I am closing both the file, that is A file and C file. This is the coding for that. Okay, so Python program to copy a content of one file to another.